Listen, you can hear the wind in the trees and the sound that it makes, rustling all the leaves. Listen, you can hear a bird as it sings. It's hard to explain the feeling it brings. Listen, you can hear the sounds of love everywhere. Sounds you may have forgotten are still in the Listen, you can hear the flowing of a stream as it splashes on the rocks and weaves through tall grass so green. Listen, you can hear the music of the wind playing soft, then loud, then soft. It never ends. Listen, you can hear the sounds of love